Hello guys, welcome back to your own investment and trading desk, Stake Planner. Let's quickly start our weekly market outlook. So before going forward, let's have a quick recap that what we told you in our last weekly market outlook video and what happened into the market. As you all saw that in last video we told you that market is ready to give you a huge movement or with either on upside or on downside. But as we saw that market has consolidated a lot. It has not given anywhere, not in the upside, not on the downside. So our view is still intact, and we are still waiting for the big move, and that is very near into the market. We have given you the level on Nifty and Bank Nifty. In Nifty, we told you that if Nifty cross 18,350 to 200 level, then we will see a huge movement on upside near around 19,100. And on the Bank Nifty, we told you that once Bank Nifty cross 43,300 to 500 level, then it will reach toward 44,100 level, which is almost all-time high into the Bank Nifty. So as you all saw that Bank Nifty has given some good move of 700 to 800 points, but Nifty is consolidating in a range which is 18,350, 400 to near on the downside 18,000, and that too into the wild swings. Since last 2nd Feb, Nifty has not gone anywhere. It has just doing consolidation in a very small range. It's going narrowing down each and every day. So which is a good sign for the traders who are waiting for the big movements, and which we are also waiting for the big movements. So this is all about last week. Now let's come to the what we are expecting and what are the levels which we are expecting from that market will give you a good moves. So let's look into that level. So let's start with Nifty. As we all know that in market nothing is happening, but something is happening into the market, and which is traders are doing loss into the range. Those who know that they should not trade this range, they save their capital, because the newbies, the new generation of trader, they want to trade each and every move. But on the opposite side, exact opposite from them, the vintage trader, what they do, they wait for the range break. Once range gets break, they start their trading into the market. So as I told you that market is currently been in a range since 2nd of May of from 18,000 to 18,300 to 350. This is the big range where Nifty is consolidating. But how we should trade in this? So first of all, we'll see that what are the important levels, support and resistance level into the market in this week. So from that you will get clarity. Currently Nifty has been closed on 18,200 level, which is the pivot level which we told you in our we give each and every day our daily market outlook on our Instagram handle. So in that we told you that 18,200 is the May series pivot level, which means what key that market will close near that level only at the time of expiry. We come up with this data with the many OI analysis, the permutation combinations and other things, the institutional buyings and all the sectors and the heavyweights where they will consolidate and where they will close at that level. On that basis, we calculate the pivot level. So as per the pivot level, market was closed near 18,200. From current market price 18,200, Nifty's support level is near around 17,950. 17,950 to 18,050. This is the 100 points of demand zone into the Nifty. Market is showing a strong demand from these levels. So whenever market fall into this level, market strongly rebound and come towards its pivot level of 18,200. Exact same thing happened on Friday. What FIs or what market makers are doing, that they are making and dumping the sentiments of the retail traders and other traders. What they did in last week, each and every day, as you can see, market was opening gap up. Then it closed near day's low, again next day gap up, then close near day's low, again next day gap up, and then on the Thursday also they closed near day's low. But what happened on Friday? Each and everyone came in the FOMO that market again will do same thing, that market open gap up and now it will come down and then it will close near day's low. But what happened to the market is market closed, open into the gap up zone, given the same move as the previous days, like it opened gap up and closed near day's low. But this time the makers made their game. They closed the Nifty near day's high and above the important level of 18,180, or you can say pivot level of 18,200. So these are the two support. That's why these are the two important support of 17,950 and 18,050. This is the 100 points of range which you can trade into, which you can consider as a support level into the market. On the upside, 18,350 to 18,450. This is the very strong resistance zone for the Nifty, because the sellers, the market maker who are waiting for their positions, who shorted the Nifty in their last swings, so they have their stop loss, or you can say they are managing their position near 18,450 levels. So simply, as I said, that market is consolidating in a very narrow range about 18,450 as a resistance on upside for the week, and 18,050 to 17,950 as a support on the downside for the week. Anywhere market give a close, or you can say the breakup or breakout or breakdown from this level, market will show you 3 to 5% of moves in this week only. Suppose if you consider that market has break or broke the level of Friday's low, that is which is near around 18,050. So market will ready to give you 3 to 5% move on downside. You can consider that 3 to 5% move near around 17,600 to 17,550. So if the Nifty breaks 17,950, then Nifty will reach toward downside on 17,550 to 600 zone. And on the upside, the major level is 18,450 level on the upside. Once this level get break, we need to watch out 17,530. This is the also very important zone, because whenever we trade, we put a stop loss on 30 or 50 point away from the breakout or breakdown level. So on the upside, breakout level is 18,450. So we are putting our stop loss near around 0.5% of 70 points in the Nifty above the 18,450. So our stop loss on the Nifty is 17,530 on the upside. If you are an aggressive player and if you are aggressive trader, you don't want to wait to short or buy the Nifty above or below the range of we've given into the week. So what you can do is wait for the Monday, let Monday's high low come into the place after market close, and once Nifty breaks that high or lows on closing basis, then you can enter into your trade. So this is simply how you can trade Nifty. Now let's come to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has given a close near around 39,950 or 60 levels. As we all are witnessing, Bank Nifty is near its all-time high, which is near around 44,160 level. My point is here that we need to be very cautious on Bank Nifty and on the banking stock and on the financial stock, because market can dump anytime their sentiment into the market through the Bank Nifty only. So let's see now Bank Nifty's level. Bank Nifty is currently given close on Friday on 43,970 level. So on the upside, resistance level on the Bank Nifty is 44,300 to 44,450. These are the 100 to 150 points of range will play as a resistance into the Bank Nifty. And once Bank Nifty gives early close on 44,450, then we can consider that Bank Nifty is heading toward 45,400 level. So you will get upside good rally of 1,000 points once Bank Nifty cross its resistance zone. And on the downside, Bank Nifty have a good support near around 43,650 level. 43,650 level is a good support into the bank. So these are the two important support and resistance level in Bank Nifty for this week. As I already told you and informed about the cautiousness into the Bank Nifty, so this is the time you need to trade into the Bank Nifty very cautiously, and not into the Bank Nifty, into the whole market you need to trade cautiously on the buying side, because particularly in Bank Nifty, upside risk is very less and downside risk is very high. So you can do a short trading in Bank Nifty if you know that how to short. Otherwise you simply avoid. And for the investment purpose, we are also avoiding all the banking stock to invest, except some large cap, which is SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. Except these three banks, we are not investing in any other banks as a safe bet into the Bank Nifty. Let's talk about our bias, what we are expecting and what we are predicting into the market. So we are thinking that market will reach toward its high level of 18,500 to 530 level. Then we will see some kind of profit booking, or you can say sharp selling into the market. So this is our bias, and you know very well that we don't trade on biasness, we trade on the levels. Now let's come to the sector. Which sector will perform in which way? So we are expecting some bullishness into the IT and into the FMCG stock, and some kind of bearishness into the metal and into the banking stocks. These are the bearish and bullish sector for this week. On the stock specific front, you can trade Indigo, you can also trade IDFC, you can also trade IRCTC, you also can trade IOC, ABB and ABFRL. This stock can give you a good momentum of 3 to 5% in this week only. We are again warning you, this is the time to trade with the cautious. Market can fall anytime, and we are expecting that market will give you a good downside momentum on expiry day. So whatever your position you have, save this position, hedge this position and trade according to that. So this is all about weekly market outlook. Plan, invest, gain with Stake Planner. Stay tuned. Thank you.